rich in polyphenols, and that are very powerful antioxidant. And from this water of the olives, we produce also cosmetics that are very, very nice products.
The first winner in the category consumer goods, Oliphenolia food supplements. Finalists impressed us with their different approaches. They reduced waste, simplified routines, extended product life cycles, and encouraged more responsible use of resources, and even often all at once. And you might think it's a déjà vu, but it's not, because the first winner of this category is again Oliphenolia. So the consistent implementation of biodynamic agriculture in accordance with the strictest Demeter guidelines, as well as the high quality of the cream, are impressive and convincing.